Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk about a website that's called TopCashback, in which you can do some web shopping, or some extra things in order to get the money back. So it's, you guys, one of the largest cashback site, where thousands of top brands, they pay us, and when you shop and we share cashback with you, join 100 of years. So how is it like actually works? So it's a quick and easy. Basically, it's all of members can earn around £300 per year shopping across cashback payout. If you have the PayPal or anything, you can just get your I just want to log in, but I didn't, because I just want to give you guys a review of it, and like how this website is gonna give you work. So like there are some other websites like eBay, Sky, and you can earn the cashback on whether you're ordering food online or anything, like just like this. They have more than like hundreds of top brands like Amazon, food, drinks, in utilities, now brand food, drinks, delivery, Domino's, Just Eat, and all that. So in order to make sure that this website is authentic, so we have gone to the Trustpilot is one of the largest review of the websites, where you can see the the reviews. So we will go for the 5-star reviews. Like 80% of the people have given 5-star reviews, which means it's much better to use this website in order to get some cashback. So here we can see, have used Top Cashback for a good view. I love Top Cashback, highly recommend it. And yeah, I mean, they have a good review. Even you can write the review after after all, like say made payment. You should go for the reviews. Like they have more than 144K reviews, and then like people have given excellent. So it's all even available on the the Google Play Store. So like they have 1 million downloads in it. We can check out like cashback from 60,000 plus retailers. I mean, this is amazing. If you're ordering food, you want to save some money, yeah, I would highly suggest to use this website, or app. You can even go download the app as well, in order to get some like extra money. Or you can say you can save money, payout, cashback via bank transfer, PayPal, or gift card. Like they have all the options into it. So yep, even they have we can say 1 million phones, and you just have to go just to get your email back and choose your password, and it's completely free. So guys, do subscribe my channel, and I'll get back to you with a new the video, in which I will be giving talking about the new websites, like how you can earn some, like save money in regards to that. Thank you so much, have a great day, bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna